Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. It's Friday, last day of the week. Happy days, weekend is coming. Today I've been busy, I've been all around the place, but the guys have been at the garden house that we were at yesterday doing the tiling. They are finishing off the tiling on their own today, so I haven't actually seen them today. I dropped some adhesive off there early this morning. So they are working on the they've been working on it. So they've called me and said that they're done. Unfortunately, they were still a little bit short with adhesive. I think there's about 1 or 2 tiles left to do, but they are done. So I'm going to go and have a look now, and then we're heading up the road to the flat that we've been renovating to try and finish off some last bits there as well. So a busy day, but yeah, let's go and see how they have got on without me. I think all we've got to do is the grouting in here now. So I'm about to mess it all up. About to mess it all up. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Nice. Looking good, looking good. So literally it's just a few little pieces they had to do there. And I think that piece there and that tile. So they just ran out. So they probably need about half a bag to finish this off. But yeah, looks good. Very happy, very, very happy. So what we're going to do now is start plasterboarding in here and a bit of plumbing to do. And yeah, get some lights, get some temporary lights on in here so we can see what we're doing. Otherwise looking good. Place is clean, ready for grouting, ready for skirting boards, ready for last coat of paint. Knock, knock, knock. Let me in. All right, we're at the flat now. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. There we go. Someone's locked me out. It's the police. Good afternoon, everybody. Caught sleeping on the job.
Sleeping where my eyes were closed.
Exactly. Exactly, your eyes were closed.
That doesn't mean I was sleeping though.
It's this guy.
So I can't blink.
Huh?
The interval of blinking is of my choice.
Oh, seeing a long blinks, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see. All right, here we go in here. So what have we done in here? Kenneth's put a new seat on the toilet. We got a new bath panel to put on here. We put new taps in. Put the tiles on. Tristan's grouted the tiles. We've got a new sink we're putting in there. I've got the waste for it, pop-up waste to go into that. We've got a little bit of flooring to do here, so we're going to pull it out and just finish this last little bit of flooring here. And just a few bits of tile on the side, and otherwise job done. How are we looking? Trying to see if we've got enough. Let's have a look. If not, I'll have to go and get another pack. Sorry. Tristan's cut this tile in here with the leftover, but I bought some more, so this tile's not big enough. So he's gonna have to do that one again. And he's made a mistake. Oh, he's got 2 pieces there. You can spot the mistake. Tristan, come in it.
Yeah, I know.
What do you know? You always know, don't you?
Yeah,
you know everything. What is it?
The gap on that side there.
Yeah, that, but
Okay, what's the bit?
something else I spotted.
Alright, let me guess first then.
Yeah, go on. What do you
Is
think?
it the rough edge on the back?
No.
No. Bro.
Look at them. Look at the tiles. See if we can figure it out.
Would it be that piece because there and those 2 pieces?
Nah, they're in the right place, and putting the piece. I like what you did with the grout line following there. So that's good. So you paid attention. I like that. But sight with the tile. I know you only had off-cut lefts, and you probably wasn't able to do what you should have done. But can you spot what you done wrong? Look at the tiles themselves. Real hard.
Is it the direction of the pattern?
Yeah. Direction of the pattern. So that tile is the tile going that way.
Yes, you know.
Yeah? So that one has a pattern all going that direction. So you have to turn it around so it goes that way as well. Yeah? Alright, cool. But otherwise, yeah, I like that. Let's see. All the paint is pretty much done. I've got the beading, some beading to put around here. Otherwise, this room is all done. It's all painted. All finished. So much brighter this flat now. This room is pretty much finished. This is where everything's been stored. The guys have painted that up. That was nice. Kenneth did a little painting there. He painted this in black metal paint. The guys have been spraying this radiator. They're going to give it another coat. I'm about to box in these pipes so the guys can paint it as well. But otherwise, this room is done. As you guys can see, all complete. Just ready for curtains and stuff. And that's there. Kitchen is pretty much there. Just a few bits to do. We've got to sort out some tiles here. We've got to finish the grouting. We've got a cabinet to go in there, which is here. About to do that now. Then we're going to connect up the washing machine. It's the old washing machine, the old sink. Put the shelves back in the doors. This one here? Yeah. I'll build this one up now. And then it's just gas man to come and put the hob in for us. I need to connect this up as well and duct it across to there. The guys have been painting all the windows. Tedious job of painting all these windows throughout this flat. But they're almost done. All the flooring is done. Skirting boards are done. And then it's just one more coat of paint in here and job done. Alright guys, so we're done for today. So what we managed to do today, bath panel is just being cut to size. We've got to build some timber framing to fit it on too. I ripped the old one out when I was taking the old bath out to change the taps. Annoying thing with these type of baths, when you need to change the taps, you have to take the bath out. There's no way to get around the back. So those are the new taps. What else did we do? Did some more work on this. Just need to connect it up, screw it to the wall and connect it up. So then that will be finished. Tristan recut these tiles here. So these are being bonded in, ready to be grouted. So that's done. Let's see, in the kitchen, we've been doing in here. We've been working, we managed to get this cabinet. I just need to do some adjustments and stuff. We need to box in this pipe underneath the bottom here. We just need to put the extract bit on there. We also did tiles around here as well, and we're gonna put a trim over that gap there, but all this is done. So here's pretty much ready for grouting. We just need to get the hob and then cut it and get someone to connect it up for us. Otherwise, that is pretty much done, and just need to sort that in and plug it in. Namdi and Kent have been in there working hard. You can see. Boxing in stuff, boxing in pipes, corking it all up, and that.
Trying to hide the holes for the
rats. Rats in there. There we go. All done. Come back and paint that, and then it's done. Yes.
See how it's different now. Already look about. Wicked Mr. Wicked. All the time is dual material.
Alright guys, so we are off. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend. Have a great weekend, whatever you do, be safe. I just wanted to show you guys a quick update of the day. Been a busy day. But anyway guys, take care. We see you soon.